our YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. My name is Daniela Ubuki. Today is Thanksgiving in Canada, so we are preparing this turkey. Oh my God. So it's really heavy, it's a lot inside. So it's different way actually to prepare this kind of huge, big turkey. Yeah, so I'll be showing you one way, many ways actually, but we are just doing it in one kind today. So yeah, I'll just wash. I've already washed it and everything is clean. So if you just look inside, so you can see inside how they look like. See the stuff that is inside, and yeah, those are the part of it too. Yeah, so we usually at times bake it, but this time I don't have enough time to seasoning it right now for it to be baked the way I want, because it won't be good, it won't taste nice. So I will do it this way. So see what I will be using now. I'll put these onions inside. You may just cut it into two, or just one like this if they are not too big, or just like small one like this, not too big. I'm putting it inside this place, and this is pepper. I will just cut the pepper, or even if it's into two, just cut the pepper to go inside. We need a lot of water. So in that, this one is I will put this onions. This is the dry pepper, and this one is salt. This one is seasonings I'm using. This one here, bay leaf, thyme, curry, and rosemary. I'll put all of them inside, and I really need the water to be atop the. Okay, I put on the stove now. Look at the turkey inside. The reason why I need the water to like a lot inside like that, because I want them to do the seasonings to go inside. Since I'm not able to season it for a long hour before using it, so I will just do mine this way. I know I do it before, it work very well. So yeah, what you need to do, because I don't know how big you're talking are, I can't tell you take two seasoning. So you just whatever you have to put inside, put them all inside together, then you taste. If you still need salt, you will know you need salt, you will add. So if you don't need salt, you don't have to put. At this point, it's not, the salt is not just 100% right, but I will leave it like this. Come on, see. This is what happened 15 minutes after. 15 minutes after, this is what happened. So I will just turn it now and wait for at least 5 or 6 minutes. Then I'll return it to oven. Our guy is not ready to turn on. Yeah. Okay. This is, oh wow, this is how it looked like 1 hour after. I'll put it back. This time I will unblue that side of the. Add the black pepper, little bit salt. Just bouncing everywhere. Okay, now I'll use them. Just give the butter a little time to I need to use this kind of wide pan, so I will just do them once. I will do the asparagus first, then do the green peas. It's ready. Okay, it's ready and ready. You can see it. I wish we can even roast it more. It would be more better. But it's done already. Like, see inside.